MagScapes is all about empowering people to be more creative with the use of magnets. We were the first people to invent magnetic wallpaper, and by so doing realised that we could recommend designs, recommend solutions, but in fact people want to create their own, and the only thing that stops them really is their imagination.
I think a good example of trying to help our customers as quickly and efficiently as we can would have been a regular contractor that we deal with. Really nice guy. The client came to him, needed it right away. We needed to actually bring a stock in from China. So we called our supplier, got it on a plane, it arrived, air freight. I think it was less than 48 hours later. And we were able to fulfill for that contractor, which is really important for us. We have good solid relationships with all of our contractors, and it's important that they know that we can have their back for them when things pop up spur of the moment. So my role also includes kind of on a day-to-day basis, making sure that anyone who calls in needing our product quickly, anywhere in the world, that we can make that happen for them.
Here we are in number 5, Albemarle Way, which is our trade showroom in London and in Clerkenwell, where we have a wonderful situation to be right in the heart of the contract interiors furnishings world.
We have a trade show that happens every year, which is called Clerkenwell Design Week, which brings architects and interior designers from all over the world right to our doorstep. We feel very privileged to be in this little neck of the woods. It's a great company to work for, really friendly, very relaxed, lots of creative brains around, and it's an exciting buzz to be a part of the team.